Guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So I've done what's on my iPhone video, what's pretty much on my iMac video, and what's on my iPad video. But I just remembered that I have not done what's on my Apple Watch Series 5 since I got it. And so this is a video of my setup and the apps I currently have on the Apple Watch Series 5. So let's begin. So first off, of course, the watch face, my default watch face I'm currently always have on default pretty much is the infographic modular one. It's my favorite one just because it's just really nicely lay out everything and it just looks really nice, and I just like the icons, the app icons that the developers use for every single one of their apps for this complication, for their complications in this watch face. So let's begin. Of course, in this watch face, of course, you have the default time right there, and of course the date as well, which that's the only thing that you can add on top of that. I guess because of the size on top, there's not that much you could do with it. So it's either you can have that on or off with the date there. And of course, the first complication I have there is the heart watch complication. So heart watch, of course, is a third-party app that allows you to check your heart rate. And it's just an amazing app because it goes into really detail. You can see really detailed information about your heart rate, your activities as well. And it's just really smart as well. So when you tap on it, of course, it opens up really quickly. Of course, oops, let's see again. There we there we go. So this is how it looks, of course. So you have a chart there, and it will show you, of course, your heart rate as well, and your heart rate right now, and of course this little icon that shows this little icon right here that shows a person standing, and also it changes depending on your heart rate as well. So sometimes it could be a person on a chair, which that means your heart rate, is in a relaxing mood, or standing up, like right here. And so yeah, it's just an amazing app that I currently like to use, and you could quickly access the heart rate anytime you want as well from the app. So if you want to check your heart rate, it will ask you if you want to take a pulse, and then it'll automatically do it for you. You'll have to wait maybe 2 or 3 minutes for it, but it's worth it. And yeah, it's just my favorite complication right there to have. Next, we have Battery Grapher. So Battery Grapher is an awesome app that allows you to quickly see and predicts kind of how much battery your Apple Watch will have, and also your iPhone, depending on how much you use it. It will try to analyze how long you have until you need to recharge your devices as well. And so yeah, I just have it there because it's an amazing app, and yeah, it just looks really nice as well in the big layout as well right there. So it shows right there how much battery life you have and how much it thinks you'll have until you have to charge your devices again. Next we have here is, we have Juice Battery. I think I'm pronouncing the app right. I hope I got the app right. So Juice Battery is an awesome app. Of course, I talked about this app in the top 5 Apple Watch apps that you must have. And if you haven't seen the video, I highly recommend you guys do, because there's some cool apps that you can see on it. So this app, of course, is the app, of course, has this complication that shows how much battery life your iPhone has. But of course, if you tap on it, you could quickly see also how much battery life your Apple Watch has as well. So you could quickly see which 2 devices you need to charge up and how long you have as well right here. So yeah, I just like having it because I like to see how much battery life my iPhone has during the day, so that I know what I should do, of course, if I should use it too much or not too much, if I have enough throughout the whole day, or if I just charge it right now. So yeah, it's just an awesome app, a complication to have, and it just looks really nice as well. Next, we have Weather Mini. So Weather Mini is an awesome app. Of course, there's the complication right here I have on it. And of course, when you tap on it, of course, it opens up Weather Mini. And I just like the card-based look to it. And so yeah, that's the app I have right there. And of course, we have Pedometer. So a Pedometer, of course, is an awesome app that allows you to check how many steps you've taken throughout the day. Now, of course, you noticed I haven't taken any steps today because, pretty much stuck inside with this self-isolating and doing my part. So I haven't really gone outside. I might go for a walk later, but maybe later. But yeah, that's the app I currently have. That's like my main setup here for the Apple Watch, my main one. And of course, I have another watch face that I really do enjoy using a lot as well, and it is the Modular Compact as well. So the Modular Compact course is exclusive only to the Apple Watch Series 5. You can only get that on the Series 5 Apple Watch. And so yeah, just like the other one, it's pretty much the same thing almost. Just of course, there's a little bit of design change to it. So of course, you have the time right here, and just like the animation with it that you could quickly see. Let's see if I can get this in focus. Uh, uh, Okay, no, but you can quickly see, of course, just a small animation here that you can quickly see how long until the minute changes as well in the seconds area, which is just really, really nice. And I just like looking at it a lot. Of course, these two apps, these two complications you already know about. I talked about it just like a few seconds ago. And then of course a heart watch, of course, right there. So pretty much nothing has changed with the complications. Those are my favorite complications to have right now. And it's like heart watch here because you got to see much more detail in this watch face as well, depending on where you put it, of course, the complication and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my setup. For my main setup, of course, I do have a lot of apps I don't really use on the Apple Watch. I'm not really the person who uses the Apple Watch to do a lot of texting and all that stuff on it. I just like looking at quick information, and that's how I use the Apple Watch. So yeah, I don't really go into the app and start tweeting in the app or look at Instagram or on Facebook. That's why I have the iPhone for, or of course the computer. So yeah, the Apple Watch for me, of course, is the device for me to quickly just see, and this watch faces just help a lot because I can quickly see the information without having to take out my phone as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for what's on my Apple Watch Series 5. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please do subscribe to the channel because that does help. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.